Wait, back up. Let's explain. Picture this. You need a shower, but you can't take one because you are, say, in the woods, at a music festival, or just bike to work. You go for your wet wipes, but really, how many of these things will it take for you to actually get clean? 1 for your hands, 2 for your face, 2 or more for your danger zones. And then don't forget your armpits, legs, arms, chest, feet, and back. Have you ever been able to reach your own back with a wet wipe? Doubt it. But now you can. Enter the Epic Wipe. It's 16 times larger than a standard wet wipe, so you only need 1 to get the job done. That's less time and less waste. See, Epic Wipes are made from bamboo, a wildly renewable resource, which also makes them 100% biodegradable. Even the preservatives we use are food grade, so you could theoretically eat these wipes without consequence. Though unless you're a panda, we don't recommend it. As for our formula, it's 99.8% water. The remaining 0.2% is a fragrance-free combination of chamomile, calendula, and a sugar-based detergent for a non-toxic moisturizing clean that won't dry out your skin. Epic Wipes are gentle enough for a s'more-covered toddler, yet strong enough for a mud-caked mountain biker. And remember, kids, face first, butt last.